Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cut full screen on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all, I'm going to create a project on my CapCut. We can click on new project and choose a video you want to make full screen. For example, I'm just going to use the video from CapCut library. I'm going to access the library, and then for example, I'm going to choose this video. Okay, we can click on add to import the video to our CapCut project. And if we want to cut the full screen, the step is very simple. We just need to click on the video or the clip like this. And as you can see by the outline, the video is active right now. And we just need to use a part of our fingers to zoom in and just customize the position. And before you export this video to your device, you can watch the preview. You can click on this icon to watch the preview, and this is how the video looks like in full screen. And we just need to go back and you can click on this icon to export your video. Alright guys, and that's how we can get full screen on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.